Hey, hun. You know what I miss most about America this time of year?
No, what?
Winter. The snow. All I really want is to see another white Christmas. I mean, why did we move to a place where it's summer during Christmas time?
But we lived in Florida and it never snows there.
Got it. A new recipe. I mean, an idea. I'm gonna ask Santa Woot for a white Christmas. And a pony, and a Red Ryder carbine action 200 shot range model air rifle.
But you'll shoot your eye out, kid.
I'll ask Santa Woot. He'll help me. Dear Mr. Santa Woot, sir, I've tried my hardest to be a good boy this year. I really miss the snow from America. So if you could, can I please have a white Christmas this year? And a pony? And a Red Ryder carbine action 200 shot range model air rifle? Brett. And if I just put the note under the tree, Santa Woot should see it.
Woot, woot, woot! Merry Wootmas!
Santa Woot. Santa Woot! Boys! Santa Woot was here! Santa Woot was here! Let's go downstairs and see what he brought us. Come on!
Hey!
Whoa! Look at what Santa Woot brought! There's a card! Brett,
Well, even I cannot make it snow during summer in South Africa. I can do the next best thing. Enjoy your new white PC. Santa Woot. P.S. I'm out of ponies. P.P.S. Don't shoot your eye out.
This is a lot of stuff. We need to see what he brought us. Here, so there's so much stuff we need to take it all apart together, okay? So you get this one, you can take that one. It's a Transcend Solid Street Drive!
Rams!
RAM kit! A G-Skill Ripjaws 5 RAM kit!
A box!
It's an Intel Core i5 6600K! I wonder what's in this big one! It's an Anderson 800 watt power supply! 80 plus gold! A Fantex LED kit! A Fantex fan cooler! CPU cooler! And a ASUS Z170S Sabertooth motherboard! A Galax GTX 1070 EXOC Sniper White graphics card!
What's in here?
Let's find out what's in it. Let's rip open the package. Done. Fragile! It must be Italian. Let's open it up.
Yeah, let's do it.
It's the Nth Evolved Silver Tempered Glass Chassis. You know what I think Santa Woot wants me to do with this?
Wow.
Have a white Christmas with a white computer built.
Woo!
I'm gonna spend all day building this. Woohoo! Thank you, Santa Woot.
Thank you, Santa Woot. Thank you, Santa Woot.
Woot, woot, woot! Merry Wootmas!
He heard us.